truck slid out my legs stuck. Goofy better pray this 20 jam or else for L1. Clear the street, tap a screaming out.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SRTAJ, man, back with another video, back with another POV. Y'all know, man, we got the Jeep, you know what I'm saying, the 5.7 Hemi Jeep, man. I know I don't really drive this car like that, y'all, but today it's raining and I'm gonna get a POV in it, man. You know what I'm saying, some hard pulls in it, crack a window, you feel me, so y'all can hear that exhaust. Yeah, man, I'm gonna put it in sport mode for y'all. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can see that, but we in sport mode. Got some hard pulls real quick while it's raining outside, y'all. Y'all, man, we is currently downtown St. Louis, man. As y'all can see, y'all know where we at, y'all know where we at. Y'all see the arch, man? Can y'all see it, man? Yeah, nice little pool right now, a little 10 miles per hour. Gonna turn the traction off of y'all, man. So the thing with these all-wheel drive cars, like, you can turn the traction off, y'all, but like you can't turn it all the way off. Like, I don't like that. See if I can get a launch for y'all. Got a BMW right there, you know what I'm saying? Quiet, let y'all hear the exhaust, man. Got another launch right here at this light. Right there, y'all, just for a tad, but like we do got traction control off, but this car will catch traction. Like, that's why I love driving this car in the rain. Like, doing hard pulls like this in the SRT, like in a Charger, would never happen. Never would happen. so fun, man. Favorite places to go right there, man. Insomnia Cookies. Right now, if y'all know where we at, man, y'all know where we at. Leave a like on the video, man. Spam the like button if y'all want more POVs, man. Doing 31 days of POVs. I appreciate it if y'all turn me up. You feel me? I'ma keep dropping these bangers, man. I ain't never seen nobody do a POV in a track hawk. Well, I've seen a couple people do a video in a track hawk, but in the rain, but not many, man. We're not in a track hawk just yet. Soon, man, if y'all spend a like button, we might go buy one next month. Who knows? Might buy it for Christmas, who knows? Try to spend a like button, man. What is this taxi doing? Taxis in y'all city, man. Comment below if y'all got taxis in y'all city. Sheesh. We had no traction on that, y'all. At all. That motherfucker. He gonna wrap that bitch up. Y'all peep that? I should have followed him.
19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked the sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with. Look, I kick it with a thought if she really in the class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm son. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG into that nigga.